Control statements in C language. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are learning about control statements in C, a very important topic for every beginner in programming. So let's begin. Control statements. Control statements in C are used to direct the flow of execution of the program. They help the program decide which code to run, how many times to run it, or when to jump to another part of the code. Types of control statements. There are three types of control statements: sequential control statement, selection control statement, repetition loop control statement. Sequential control statement. Statements are executed in sequence, one after the other. No special keywords are required. Normal flow of control from top to bottom. Example: A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, C is equal to A plus B. Each statement is executed in order. Selection control statement used to make decisions based on conditions. If statement, if else statement, switch statement. These statements allows the program to execute different blocks of code based on specific conditions. Repetition loops control statement used to repeat a block of code: for loop, while loop, do while loop. These statements allow the program to execute a block of code repeatedly based on the condition. Sequential control statements in C. Sequential control means the program run line by line in the order written without any condition or loops. No decisions, no loops, default program flow in C. Selection control statements in C. If statement, run code if condition is true. If else statement, chooses between two options. As if ladder, handle multiple conditions. Switch statement, selects from many fixed options. Repetition control statements used to repeat a block of code multiple times, also called loops. For loop runs a loop a fixed number of times. While loop runs while condition is true. Do while loop runs at least once, then checks condition. So that was all about control statements in C. Hope it made the concept clear for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy programming lessons. And if you have any questions, drop them in comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you.